What are the different parts of pharynx?
There are three parts: nasopharynx, oropharynx, and laryngopharynx.
Which one is the nasopharynx?
Nasopharynx, this here compartment here is a nasopharynx.
Yes.
It begins at the end of the nasal sinus and up till the ridge of the
Nasal,
soprano.
it's behind the nasal cavity. Up to which part we will consider this one is a nasal cavity?
Up to the ridge.
No. This is up to the posterior margin of the nasal septum. This is known as the choana. Okay. That means it will be like this in this area. No, it will be here. Because this opening is what?
Pharyngeal opening of eustachian tube.
Yes, pharyngeal opening of the eustachian tube. Posterior to this one, what is this?
This
Posterior to this one, there is one elevation. What is the name of this elevation? Tubular elevation. Tubular elevation. Also known as the thorax tubulus. Posterior to it, again, there is one fossa. What is the name of this fossa? Fossa of? Yes. Fossa of? Rosenmuller. Yes. That means up to which part this is now? You said that posterior part of the nasal septum, the nasopharynx starts. Okay. Nasopharynx starts. Up to which part the nasopharynx you will consider?
From the
You will consider up to which part this is the nasopharynx. Yes, tip of the uvula. What you are touching, this is the tip of the uvula. Till that part, this is known as the nasopharynx. In the nasopharynx, there are two tonsils present. What are different types of two tonsils present in a nasopharynx?
tubular.
One is the tubal tonsil. Which one is the tubal tonsil? Over the thorax tuberous. Yes, just behind the opening of the pharyngeal opening of this, there is the tubal tonsil. Again, there is the another tonsil. What is the tonsil? Pharyngeal tonsil. Nasopharyngeal tonsil. In which part there is the nasopharyngeal tonsil? Don't go beyond that level because this is the nasal cavity. In this part, there is the nasal cavity. Yes, these are the nasal cavity in this area. It should be in this area. This is just in this area. Actually, these become atrophied during the time of adult. Only these are present during the time of children. Okay. So this is the nasopharynx. Which part is oropharynx now? Yes, this part is the oropharynx behind the oral cavity. How we will consider there is the oral cavity? Yes, see, in this area, just here, in this area, yes, in this area, see this one, yes, there is one arc, palatoglossal arc. This one is known as the palatoglossal arc. So just behind the palatoglossal arc, this one is the oropharynx. Now, just related to the palatoglossal arc, there is one fossa related. What is the fossa? Just behind it to the palatoglossal arc, what is the fossa? Tonsillar fossa. This is the tonsillar fossa where lodges the palatine tonsil. Palatine tonsil. This is the triangle. So here in this part, from the palate, two arcs goes. One goes to the tongue, one goes to the pharynx. One goes to the tongue. What is the name of the pharynx? What is the name of the arc? Palatoglossal arch. One goes to the palatopharynx. What is the name of the pharynx? Yes, this is the palatoglossal tongue, palatoglossal arch, and this one the palatopharyngeal arch. So this is the palatine tonsil lodges here, and below there is the tongue. Yes or no? Tongue. So base of the tongue. So it becomes a triangle. So and this triangle is known as the palatine triangle or this fossa actually. This triangle is actually fossa. So fossa is the palatine fossa. Okay. So this is these things lies in the lateral wall of the oropharynx. Yes. Now come to the laryngopharynx. From which part the laryngopharynx comes? That means it has. This is the end part of the oropharynx. Yes. What is this known as? Tip of the epiglottis. From the tip of the epiglottis, the lowermost part is known as the laryngopharynx. Up to which part? Laryngopharynx continuous. Yes, cricoid cartilage. Till the cricoid cartilage. Yes, this will be the, which one is the? This one is bigger one. Bigger one will be the thyroid cartilage. Then below it. Yes, this one will be the cricoid cartilage. So up to that level, that means from here to this way, up to that part, this is known as the laryngopharynx. Behind the larynx. That means this part is the larynx. Yes or not? Behind the larynx, this one is the laryngopharynx. Laryngopharynx will continuous as trachea, and laryngopharynx will continuous as not trachea. Esophagus, it will be continuous as pharynx. Pharynx is celestial. Laryngopharynx is continuous as esophagus, and this one larynx. Larynx continuous as, yes, this one will be the trachea. So here in this area, in the lateral wall of the laryngopharynx, there is one fossa. This is the fossa. What is the fossa? जोर से बोलो. Yes, this is the pyriform fossa. This is also known as the smuggler's fossa. Okay, these are the things you have to know. These are the things. Okay, and in this area, in the lateral wall of the nose, these are known as the terminate. This is what terminate? Inferior terminate, middle terminate, and in this area, this is superior terminate. And where in the inferior terminate there is meatus. What is the meatus? Inferior meatus. Show me the inferior meatus. Yes, this is the anteriorly there is one opening, and this is the opening of the inferior meatus. So what is the thing that open in the inferior meatus? Jorat. Intranasal sinus. No. Nasolacrimal duct. There is the nasolacrimal duct opens. In the middle meatus, there are three parts. In the middle meatus, three parts. There is hiatus semilunaris. Which one is the hiatus semilunaris? Yes. Just inferior to it, there is the opening, no? Opening. So there is the three openings. Right? In the three openings, in the anterior, what is the sinus opens?
Frontal sinus.
Yes, this is the frontal sinus. Which one frontal sinus? Which one frontal sinus? Frontal bone. In this frontal bone, this is the frontal sinus. Yes. This one is the frontal sinus. Frontal sinus opens to the anteriorly. Then in the middle meatus, in the middle opening, what is the things opens?
Maxillary.
Yes, maxillary sinus. In the posteriorly, what opens? Posterior opening?
Ethmoid hair cell.
Anterior ethmoid hair cell. Very good. So these are the things that opens in this area. Okay. Now superior meatus. This one is the superior meatus. This one is the superior meatus. Yeah, just beneath the superior turbinate. What opens here?
Posterior
Ethmoid sinus. Ethmoid sinus. This is the spinal air sinus. This is the spinal. Yes.